Today, we're going to install a custom-made front porch ceiling using 2-year-old untreated rough-cut eastern white cedar. We're going to go from this to this in less than 15 minutes. Yeah, right. Let's get started. This is eastern white cedar. Oh my gosh, that's good. This next chunk of work required a little creativity. Essentially, I needed to make some tongue and groove 1x6 boards. I have zero experience doing this, nor do I have the right equipment, so I improvised. I manufactured a dado insert to support the wood while using the correct cutting blade on my table saw. I also needed to make a sacrificial fence. A sacrificial fence is usually made out of wood and often bolted or clamped to the surface of a metal fence in order to allow the sacrificial fence to be used very close to the blade. The word sacrificial is used because the fence is expected to be accidentally hit by the cutting blade and will thus be eventually sacrificed and replaced. And finally, I needed to make a feather board to ensure my workpiece remained tight and flush against the fence. I used scrap cedar to quickly make this one. It worked great. All right, let's bring this one in. Wow, Isn't that nice? So that I think that's pretty good. We'll probably go everything through the planer one more time, and then we start staining. Here's a really good view of rough cut lumber on the right and finished tongue and groove on the left. You can see the difference in thicknesses here. Look down at the other end there. We had to turn that into dimensional lumber. There. Let's see if we're close. Wow. And that's stained. That's going to look pretty nice. Yeah. Good? Just a couple things to show here. Here's the first 10 boards together, fastened together. They're actually upside down. This is the rough side, the back side you're seeing here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting them up in groups of 2. So I've got essentially pocket screws holding every 2 boards together. And the other thing is you'll notice at the front here, let's take a look down here, a nice 45-degree bevel all the way down the front. That's because the trim at the front is only about this high, so we're going to bevel into the roof, to the ceiling wood. And you'll notice this side is very uneven, and that is also intentional. This is going against the stone side of the house, and the stone has different thicknesses. So this will fit up tight, and a final trim piece will go over top of the whole thing to conceal the unevenness, if you will, of the stone.
Coats. You can do just wait 45 minutes in between coats. Do light coats.
And then it's done.
Yeah.
What's the stain?
Pecan Ready Seal.
Wow, is that beautiful?
So this is the first coat, and I'm making it worse now.
I can't believe this started as rough cedar. Wow. Very cool. Can you see this here? The idea is to tighten up this gap. This has got a bit of a bow in it. Is it moving? Yeah, that's pretty good, eh? Need this wrench here. Okay, that's probably tight enough. Looks fairly uniform. That's pretty good. Wow, that is nicely lined up. That was lucky. Wow. That's pretty close. Wow, that's really good. Holy crap.